Here are some tips on how to fry an egg. First of all, we want to get our pan up to heat. We don't want it smoking hot, because otherwise when we put the egg in, it will just spit and cook way too fast on the bottom and burn. But we still want it nice and warm. Then we add our oil, and then we gently crack our egg into a cup first. Certainly if you've not cracked eggs before and you're new at this, crack it into a cup first. That way, if any shell gets in, you can take it out of the cup rather than trying to fish shell out of a frying pan. Then gently pour that egg into your pan. And if it spits too much, remember, you can just turn it down. Once it's fully set, we can lift it out with a fish slice. This is a fish slice. And there we have our nice fried egg. If things start to fry too quickly and get too brown, you can just turn the heat down. There's no rush here. You don't need to fry it on a high heat. So here we go. That's your fried egg. Enjoy. Don't forget, there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go. Or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.